Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy design skills? You can totally do it using Canva. It's super easy to use and free. And I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time. Are you ready to bring your book to life? So let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. First, and welcome back in another video. I'm glad to hear or actually to be here, and right now I will show you the step by step how you can create a KDP book cover with Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So first, let's know what is Canva. Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts, and flyers without needing any design experience. It's perfect for making a custom KDP book cover because it has ready-made templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. So all I have to do first, it's just signing up, and you'll find other page, which is this one, by adding your email address and your password. Then you get started. But before, all I have to do right now is open your browser and dive into KDP book cover template. You'll find here Kindle direct publishing. You click over it and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have Kindle as you can see. To find out the exact dimensions of your cover, use the calculator. You can also download the template PDF and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about hardcover and paperback cover requirements. I will show you how you can get started. So you have just to dive into KDP book cover template to get started if you want to just create a KDP book cover using Canva. Firstly, this is the first step. You have just right now to enter your book information. You have to select here for a hardcover or paper book. I will select hardcover. Then in for type, I will select here black or white. And also we have a paper type. I will select white paper. Reading direction. So we have here reading direction. I will select here right to left. Then measurement we have here. I will select inch, and we have here also inferior trim size. I will select this one as you can see. We have also other things here. I will select for example this one. Then about paper count, I will select here for example 2, and then I will click over calculate dimensions, and here we have it as you can see. I will select here 2, then I will just click over download template, or is it book information as well. As you can see here, we have how it looks, and here we have the information for description with full cover, front cover, margin, and we have here also wrap and also hinged and other things as you can see, such as spine safe area, spine margin, and we have also here barcode margin. And so all I have to do right now is just come back to the Canva, and you have just to click over customize, and you get started with this one. I will click over create design. In the top left you have here create a design. I will select here customize size, and I will just put here width and height, then the unit which is inches. I will just come back and I will see, as you can see, we have here the full cover. You can just copy it and paste it here on the width and the height, and you click over create new design. Here we have it. So let's get started, and then we have it how it looks. This is the page of creating a template and designing the template as you want. So let's get started right now, and I will just come back here and I will just here download it. As you can see, I will download the template like that, and let's wait for download. Here we have it downloaded, and I will just click over save, and I will write for example here KDP book, and I will save, and I will come back right now to here, and I will just go to the uploads, and I will just upload the file here by choosing here the download first. Then I will just here choose KDP book. Here we have it as you can see, and then I will just open it like that. And alright, so here we have it. You can just upload as I said, and then you upload your files by just here selecting all files, and I will select here the paper book. Here we have it as you can see. You click over it and you have to click over open and you get started with this one. Also we have here how it looks, as you can see. So let's just see in this one, as you can see, we have your paper book, and let's just see how it looks. Alright, so here we have it right now. You have just to modify all these things. As you can see, we have your black solid line, and trim size, blue dashed lines, pine fold, and then you get started with this one, as you can see, by just modifying all these things, as you can see. Alright, so here we have it, how we can get started, and you have just right now to come back to the design and just select, for example, here a template of book. As you can see, you'll find a various template here for a book page, book review, book cover, and also we have a book club, book lunch, reading, open book, and you have just to select one of these. For example, you have to select this one, as you can see. And we have here something, if you want to modify this one, you have just to delete it. If you did a mistake, you can just come back here like that. And here we have it, how it looks right now. And let's get started as soon as possible because it's very helpful to use this one. So after just deleting this, you have just right now to click over text and you add a heading like that, and also you have just to click over it and you add whatever you want. For example, here the title, you can just put it here in the top and the middle, and you add whatever you want here. For example, here book review or something like that, book review, for example. And also you can just add a subheading if you want, add a little bit of body text, and you get started. About also we have here elements if you want to add something such as graphics. For example, you search for something here, for example, for book cover, for example, and you'll find this one. You can just select here graphics, as you see, and you have here photos, graphics. For example, you just select this one and you put it here, as you can see, right? And also we have other things here. You can just select the one you want. Also, if you want to draw, you can just select here drawing, and you have to select the color that you want and you start drawing like that. If it's a mistake, you have just to click over here and you delete it, or you can just here come back or by clicking over window. And here we have the first look, how is it. As you can see, you can also hear the option of radio. Right now all I have to do is just here click over share, and you have just to click over download, and you'll find here how you can download it. You have just to select your font PNG, and also we have JPG, PDF, and also we have various things. Also, if you want to adjust about the size, you can just put it more, and also we have a limit file size too, how much. And then also we have here other things such as, for example, about download. Find here other options. You can just download this one and you have to share it with people if you want, and also you can keep it to yourself as well. So this is how it works with Canva and how you can get started with this one and creating your KDP book cover template. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.